Hey guys, hope you're all doing great. Today there's nothing much I'm doing, just showing you how I achieve my brows. So if you want to see how I achieve my brows, please stay with me in Kelly's Corner. Just brushing the corner of my hair, just trying to change the style instead of all the hair falling onto my face. Just decided to brush one side of it back. It's a wig anyway. So I'm brushing my brows, just brushing it up. So now I'm just putting some gel just to stick it to stick it down. And now I'm just drawing my brows, just drawing a line at the bottom, and I'm just doing the top there. So when you do that first, you can then fill it as as you like. You can make it very dark, you can make it very light. So I've done the second part as well. Now we'll be moving on to concealing the brows. I've got my concealer. I think I'm using Rimmel Radiance whatever. Sorry, I might have to put it on the description box below for you guys to see. Concealing the second one. For me, concealing is where I achieve the proper shape of my brows. Even drawing the brows is not really an issue. You can just draw it anyhow I like. But when I'm concealing it, I have to be specific. Know how the brows, know what kind of brow I want. So I don't want too much tail. So just doing the top bit, just cleaning out the mess. So I'm just gonna go over and get out of the camera. So this is the complete look. I'm just going off the camera to finish the look. So what's your take? Some people like their brows to be thick and some like it to be thin. Some like short, some like long tail. So how do you like your brows to be done? Let me know in your comment section below. Thank you for always watching Kelly's Beauty from Kelly's Corner. How do I look? Let's go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you always for watching Kelly's Beauty. Thank you, Laser Girl, rolling it out. See you in my next video. Catch ya.